Hi friends, today I'm whipping up a batch of these delicious lemon cookies. If you're a lemon lover, you're going to adore these. Not only are they easy to prepare, but they also happen to be accidentally vegan, because they're made with olive oil. There's only 6 ingredients, including fresh lemon juice and lemon zest, and they're baked in just 15 minutes. They're not the prettiest cookie, but they're tasty. Line a baking sheet with parchment paper and preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Start off by pouring the extra virgin olive oil, hopefully it's Greek, into a large bowl. Finally grate the lemon using a zester or a microplane. Next up, add the granulated sugar and whisk well. Follow this by adding some freshly squeezed lemon juice and a healthy splash of vanilla extract. And mix again. In another bowl, add the all-purpose flour along with some baking soda. Mix well and add this to the olive oil and sugar mixture. Mix again until well combined. We're after a soft yet pliable dough. Cover with plastic wrap and place the cookie dough into the fridge for half an hour. Remove the dough from the fridge with a smiley face, of course, and very gently remove the plastic wrap. Now, using the cookie scoop, scoop out portions of the cookie dough. Place each scoop on the lined baking tray, making sure to leave space between the cookies. Using your fingers, flatten each cookie slightly. This isn't compulsory, just a little tap will do. Bake in a preheated oven, and once they're cooked, place them on a wire rack to cool. Oh, and they're perfect for dunking into tea or coffee. The full recipe is available on my blog, and I'll have a link in the description below. If you love lemon, I've got 2 other recipes that you should try. The sweet lemon ricotta cake and the Greek lemon rice. See you next time.